unusual whales. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the contracts here. So feel free to take a pause here, take a screenshot, or pause the video. See if you want to take a look at the contracts here with the highest volume and highest open interest. I am going to go ahead and scroll down now into the analyst ratings. As each video, take this with a grain of salt. This is financial advice, and I'm just viewing the analyst ratings and sharing with you guys what the firms are going over. So we have here recently in January of 2025. I'm not quite going to look at 2024, potentially maybe like the end of 2024. We do have like Morgan Stanley here putting it as a $13 sell. But I mainly want to take a look at 2025 ratings as these are more up to date. So 2025 here in January, we have Keefe, $8 sell. And then more importantly, we have Citigroup, Needham, UBS, and Goldman Sachs here. Okay, Citigroup here in January 14th, $18 price target, rating it as a buy. We have Needham here, and end of January, saying that $20 price target, it's a buy rating for him. And then 2025 here, end of January as well. UBS, $14 hold. Okay, Goldman Sachs, $10 price target, and then hold as well. So go ahead and feel free to pause the video if you want to take a look at this more. Okay, I know there's like Bank of America down here, JP Morgan, if that's something you're interested in just taking a look at. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go on to Webull here with the weekly chart for SoFi stock, with the current price being $14.79. So today is February 23rd, Sunday evening. Taking a look at SoFi here, and I just want to mention that on the weekly chart, we do have a 50 EMA crossing above the 200 EMA. This is a bullish crossover, and this started really at the end of December, right? So at the end of December, we had a bullish crossover. We broke all the way up into a high of about 1842. Now I'm zooming back out just to show you that between 1342 and 1625, I think is a pretty considerable entry point. This looks like a pretty good point where there is support as well. 1342 here I think provides as a pretty good strong entry point. I don't think the selling pressure is that strong down here at 1342. If anything, the buying pressure is pretty good down here. Possibly selling pressure a lot more prevalent right around 1625. And of course, I think we might expect to see more selling pressure closer to about $19 or 1842 there. But as of right now, I wouldn't mind starting a position if I haven't already for SoFi. That's just my personal opinion. Again, between 1342 and about 1625, if I'm going long-term dollar cost averaging into this stock, I think this is the time to be doing it. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, what your opinion is on that, or if you're viewing the chart differently than I am. But I'm viewing this right here as a good dip opportunity. Who knows if we continue going sideways, but I think time is as of the essence. I'm pretty sure with time we're going to see a break above 1625 again, and one of these days we will see the resistance of 1908 get broken above as well. And our recent high here, 1842, is no longer going to be a resistance. Instead, I think 1625 will be a new base moving forward. 1625 here going to be a potential support in the future. Okay, so as of right now, 1342 is what I'm viewing as a support. And I think 14.79 being the current price at the moment is a pretty considerable buying opportunity. And of course, on the weekly chart, I do think these other resistances towards the top side, so 1826 being the high of all time, I think these resistances are going to get tested. So 19, 2260, and then of course 2826 there. With this bullish crossover, I'm pretty bullish seeing a move towards those highs. I just can't exactly say when it's going to happen. I just know that as of right now, this is looking like a pretty good dip opportunity to me. This is the buy the dip opportunity, hold potentially into seeing if we can break above these following resistances towards the top side. I think it just takes time for us to kind of see where the selling pressure is at and see where the buying pressure is at, right? So right now, that's where I'm viewing is 1342 being a buying pressure zone, and eventually 1625 is going to be a buying pressure zone as well. So with time, I think we just get a stair step towards the top side. So again, let me know what you guys think down below, or if I'm just kind of going on about this stock just based off of this chart. I just think because of the 50 EMA crossing above the 200 EMA, and that we're actually well above the 50 EMA, and even finding a base support at 1342, that this stock might be ready for another leg up towards the top side. So the demand for this stock, I think, is pretty well established at 1342. If you are in SoFi long term, I highly recommend joining the Discord. It's free to join. We do have over 32,000 members there sharing due diligence. So if that's something you're interested in, you want to ask questions, you are more than welcome to join the Discord. Link down below in the description. Okay, check it out, and if you don't like it, feel free to leave. And then optionally, if you want to support the community, if you want live entries and exits, where we do also call out like our live SoFi alerts, you can join the Patreon. We currently have a 90% off discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to check out the Patreon as well. It's pretty cheap. It's 90% off anyways. Cancel anytime. It's a permanent discount. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and check out the Patreon. Okay. We'll see you on the next video of SoFi. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you on the next SoFi video. Much love, you guys. Have a great week, and this week's earnings is going to be pretty crazy, so I'm definitely looking forward to it.